You have the notes of corn refining process. Today we are going to discuss this. Definition क्या है इसकी? A large species of American grass of the genus Z, widely cultivated as a forage and food plant. Indian corn, also its seed growing and cobs and used as food for men and animals. Structure of corn seed. अगर कभी कॉर्न्स खाते हुए आप उसको थोड़ा सा खोलें तो आपको उसका बेसिकली ये शक्ल नज़र आएगी. ये इसके अंदर स्टार्च है और फिर स्टार्च एंड ग्लूटेन है और जर्म का मतलब होता है फ्यूचर. ये एम्ब्रियो होता है जो नेक्स्ट जो है वो प्लांट बनाता है. और इसके गिर्द जो है वो फाइबर होती है. टाइप्स ऑफ कॉर्न्स पता है आपको, वाइट और येलो होते हैं. कुछ दिनों में आप सिट्टे वाइट खाती हैं, कुछ में आप येलो खाती हैं. सो कॉल्ड बिकॉज द कर्नल बिकम indented as the cob matures. This is probably the most commonly grown corn, as its use are very versatile. Dent corn is used for oil, cereals and flour, animal feed. Its high cellulose content has also been used to create biodegradable plastic and absorbent material for diapers. The oil is also being used in cosmetics, soaps and skin care products. Flint corn, all colors, shrinks or drying. This type of corn has very hard kernel and is used for similar purpose as dent corn. Popcorns खाती है ना. Is characterized by hard outer skin and soft starchy center. This combination gives it unique probably. Sweet or vegetable corns, ये different इनका taste होता है और इनका texture. High sugar content. This is the similar corn on the cob. Most of the carbohydrates in this variety comes as sugar, which makes it so tasty and sweet. Best enjoy fresh as strong. Storage will slowly turn the sugar into starch. Waxy corns. Starchy with a waxy appearance, it is used mainly in the Far East for its topeka-like starch. It is also used to stabilizing and thickening starch for good products and is an emulsifier for salad dressings. Other industrial uses include remoistening, adhesive for gummed tape और adhesive in the paper industry, चिपकने के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है. It is also often used for animal feed. Animal feed के लिए भी इंसान इसे नहीं इतना यूज़ करते. कॉर्न रिफाइनिंग प्रोसेस कैसे होता है? इसके डिफरेंट स्टेप्स हैं और डिफरेंट वो हैं कॉर्न्स हैं कि कैसे कैसे किया जाता है. इंस्पेक्शन एंड एवरेज बसल और येलो डेंट कॉर्न. Weight 56 pounds. 70% of kernel is starch, 10% protein होती है, 4% oil और 2% fiber. Cleaning क्या कैसे करते हैं? Corn arrives at the refining facility by trucks or trailers. Refining staff inspect arriving corn shipment and clean them twice to remove pieces of cobs, dust and foreign material. The corn is then conveyed to storage silos holding up to 350,000 bushels until ready to go to the refinery for steeping, the first processing step. Selection होता है, उसमें जो सही वाले होते हैं और जो कॉर्न्स वो अलग से किए जाते हैं और उसके बाद इसका प्रोसेस होता है. Steeping. Each stainless steel steep tank holds about 3,000 bushels of corn for 30 to 40 hours of soaking in 50 degrees centigrade temperature water. During steeping, the kernel absorb water, increasing their moisture level from 15 to 45% and more than double in size. The additional of 0.1% SO2 to the water to prevent excessive bacterial growth in the warm environment. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल सल्फ़र डाइऑक्साइड जो है वो इस्तेमाल होती है कि बैक्टीरियल ग्रोथ को रोका जाए, बिकॉज कि मॉइस्चर कंटेंट और टेम्परेचर बहुत सूटेबल होता है और इसमें जो स्टार्च की क्वांटिटी है इट इज़ फेवरेबल फॉर द growth of pathogens. As the corn swell and soften, the mild acidity of the steep water begins to loosen the gluten bond within the corn and releases the starch. After steeping, the corn is coarsely ground to break the germ loose from other components. Steep water is condensed to capture nutrients in the water for use in animal feed and for a nutrient for later fermentation process. The ground corn in a water slurry flows to the germ separators. ये इस तरह की शक्ल होती है, फिर उसके बाद ये अलग हो जाते हैं. Germ separator. Cyclone separator spin the low density corn germs out of the slurry. The germ containing about 85% of corn's oil are pumped into syringes and washed repeatedly to remove any starch left in the mixture. A combination of mechanical and solvent processes extract the oil from the germ. The oil is then refined and filtered into finished corn oil. The germ residue is saved as another useful component of animal feed. Cyclone separator. Fine grinding and screening. The corn and the water slurry leave the germ separator for a second more through grinding in an impact or attrition impact mill to release the starch and gluten from the fiber in the kernel. The suspension of starch, gluten and fiber flow over fixed concave screen which catch fiber but allow starch and gluten to pass through. The fiber is collected and screened again to reclaim any starch or protein, then piped into the feed house as major ingredient of animal feed. The starch gluten suspension called mill starch is piped to the starch separator. Starch separation. Gluten has a low density compared to starch. By passing mill starch through a centrifuge, the gluten is readily spun out for use in animal feed. The starch with just 1 to 2% protein remaining in diluted, washed 8 to 14 times, rediluted and washed again in hydroclones to remove the last traces of protein and produce high quality starch, typically more than 99.5% pure. Some of the starch is dried and marketed, most is converted into corn syrup and glucose. Syrup converted. Starch suspended in water is liquefied in the presence of acid or enzymes which convert the starch to a low glucose solution. Treatment with another enzyme continues the conversion process. Throughout the process, refiners can halt acid or enzymes actions at key points to produce the right mixture of sugar like glucose and maltose for syrup to meet different needs. In some syrups, the conversion of starch to sugar is halted at an early stage to produce low to medium sweetener syrups. In other, the conversion is allowed to proceed until the syrup is nearly all glucose. The syrup is refined in a filter, centrifuges, and ion exchange columns, and excess water is evaporated. Syrups are solid, directly crystallized into pure glucose or proceed further to create high fructose corn syrup. Fermentation. Fermentation is a process in which they use different types of useful microorganisms एंड इसमें जो प्रोडक्ट्स बनती हैं जिसके फर्मेंटेशन पिकल्स वगैरह भी हम बनाते हैं, इससे विनेगर भी बनाते हैं. Glucose is the most fermentable of all the sugars. Following conversion of starch to glucose, many corn refiners pipe glucose to fermentation facilities where the glucose is converted to alcohol by traditional yeast fermentation and to amino acid or other byproducts through either yeast or bacterial fermentation. After fermentation, the resulting broth is distilled to recover alcohol or concentrated through membrane separation to produce other byproducts. Carbon dioxide from fermentation is recaptured from cell, and nutrients remaining after fermentation are used as component of animal feed ingredients. शुगर को और यीस्ट को मिक्स करके फर्मेंटेशन की जाती है, अल्कोहल और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बनता है.